My name is Stephen Capone. The company is Capone Iron Corporation. We're operating in Raleigh, Mass. and Berlin, New Hampshire. I'm president and CEO of the company. We have over 80 people working with us currently. We're a structural steel and miscellaneous fabrication shop, offering services from light structural, buildings, so forth, bridges. We're bridge certified. We're AISC certified as well, to miscellaneous iron, your stairs, your rails, ladders, mezzanines, and so forth. Producing steel and fabricating, erecting, and delivering it all over New England, New York, and points down south. Prior to us buying our first Combilift, it was quite difficult trying to get 40-foot, 50-foot, 60-foot pieces of steel into our 20-foot garage doors. That's what made me kind of look online to see what the alternatives were. I found a Combilift, and the first one I bought was a C-30. I was amazed at the capability of the Combilift to work as a four-directional machine. At the push of a button, the wheels turn and you can move in a 90-degree direction from where you previously were working from. It's just a great machine. You can make the most efficient use of limited space. Even with a small, tight yard like we have here in Raleigh, our storage has increased because of the way we can handle the material and store it. The Combilift, because of its multi-direction, gives us that opportunity. The efficiency is improved, I would say about 75%, but with the Combilift, it's much safer and we can maneuver, and it's just overall just a great improvement. I haven't met an operator yet who doesn't love the machine. They feel safe, they know they're productive, and they do a great job in moving material with those machines. We've put 80-foot beams on those machines and move them around our facility. And again, with the carry deck and the capacity, it's safe and it's efficient. There isn't anything we can't pick. And then you look at our straddle carrier. Our straddle carrier is just overall safety, major safety improvement with loading our trailers. We build our loads on the ground on these engineered and fabricated, let's call them skids. We load the trailers to the capacity of whatever our trailers can take, and then we pick them up with the straddle carrier and either bring them outside and store or put them right on top of the trailers. But much safer building a trailer load of steel on the ground than up on a trailer. I can just see the way material moves throughout our facility and throughout our yards. So definitely a 75% improvement in our handling. And as far as safety, it's unmeasurable how much safer it is because let's just say the lack thereof of accidents. There are no downsides to owning and operating Combilifts. It's just all plus as far as we can see, which is why we went from 1 to I think 4 or 5 machines now, with another one on its way.